Health is the largest and fastest growing employment sector in Queensland, with a wide range of flexible and engaging careers, with many possible avenues into the industry. Today we're visiting several schools where collaboration and a commitment to innovative practice sparks students' interest and prepares them for a future in the health industry.
The health journey began at Kawana State College at a local level where we were responding to the needs of our own students. The health sector on the Sunshine Coast is the largest employment industry. By 2030, there will be a shortfall of 10 million people right across the globe. So we're not only ensuring that our students are equipped to meet the needs of the local community, but we want our students to be global citizens as well, to be able to meet the demand in this health sector.
We have a simulated ward and a simulated residential space where students have the capability through their expert health trainers where they can hone in on their skills. The next piece was the aged care facilities, having students put that practice into an actual real life setting.
Well, currently I'm doing my Certificate 3 and getting prepared to go do my AIN in the workplace. So we do a lot of practical things like basic wound care, or we use the simulation ward to look after patients and things. And yeah, it's really good, really hands-on.
Some of the skills I've learnt through the program are how to take a blood pressure, how to measure oxygen levels, how to record heart rate. I'm now employed at a residential aged care facility, and I really enjoy forming relationships with the residents and caring for them and helping them do things that they can't do independently anymore.
200 students from the North Coast region of Queensland use our facilities to gain their certifications, and just recently we started a program with North Rockhampton High and a number of other schools within the Rockhampton area.
North Rockhampton State High School is a large, diverse community, and it is a priority of the school to ensure that we are providing an education that prepares our students for pathways post-schooling. Developing the Health Hub and the Health Bundle, which we offer with Kawana State College, provides our students with opportunities post-school into university as well as TAFE, as well as opportunities for employment while they're still at high school and post-schooling as well. They have trainers and deliverers who are currently working in the field, and that real-world industry experience provides the increased level of engagement to our students to help them understand what the field is truly about.
When I finish Year 12, I'm going to study at CQU, a Bachelor of Nursing, and specialise in paediatrics.
I'm planning to do Bachelor of Nursing and then midwifery.
In this course, I enjoyed learning the practical side the most, like manual handling, so like making beds and using equipment.
I've really enjoyed using the different medical equipment the school has provided. For example, the full hoist to assist patients who are unable to walk. After Year 12, I'd like to pursue a career in a Bachelor of Nursing and then specialise in cardiology, as I've always had an interest in the structure and function of the heart and supporting and helping people through their toughest times.
I've really enjoyed learning about communication and how to communicate with different types of people, in both colleagues and patients, and also learning about like vital signs and how to check on a patient and how they're travelling in their health journey. I did work experience at Benevolent Living, and the communication that we learned through this course really helped with doing the handovers after every shift and explaining like how the patients are going. As a school, we were really determined to make sure that we were giving back in the right way. We staffed that ward with our students to give them exposure to work with their clients, to develop relationships that are meaningful and powerful on a daily basis. And that work has just been exceptional. As educators, we need to have the ability to customise a child's learning. This will give them the tools that will then allow them to shine in future years.
Watching the students realise the breadth of opportunities in the health industry has been one of the most exciting and fulfilling part of this program. The understanding that health doesn't simply mean nursing or becoming a doctor, but there's so many other areas that they could be involved in.
When I first heard that North Rocky was giving us this opportunity, I was beyond excited. This is exactly what I wanted to do. Then doing this course, it made me realise that health is so much more than I could even imagine. Learning all these skills here in class helped me really a lot going into my placements, learning how to do the manual handling, the vital signs, the ADLs, everything.
So my experience doing the health course at North Rocky, it was a real eye-opening. I was able to do placement at an aged care facility and getting all the skills from the course as like the manual handling and doing the blood pressure and writing assessments down and observations. It really helped me at the placement. I love the occupational therapy course I'm doing. It's such an amazing allied health career and I cannot wait to pursue it more.
I did the health course and then I went on to do the AIN course, which I used to get a job in aged care, and then I moved to Brisbane and I used those qualifications to get a job in a hospital. In the practicals that we did at Kawana, we used hoists and serostetties and the hospital beds and whatnot, and it was always really helpful when I went into aged care especially. And even in theatre, lots of the work is moving hospital beds around and transporting patients and learning how to do that in a safe way that I'm not going to hurt myself.
I guess one of the things that we're most proud of is the fact that we've really been able to make a difference within this sector. We know that it's a sector that's critically short on staff. We know that we're making a real difference to fill this gap.
When schools build partnerships and collaborate to share resources, students are able to visualise their potential futures. In part 2 of Pathways to Health, we'll hear about some of the great outcomes of the collaborative partnership between Kawana Waters State College and North Rockhampton State High School. We'll also visit Bentley Park College, where an innovative approach to engaging students through industry partnerships and virtual learning supports them on a meaningful pathway to future health careers.